something that you guys I'm gonna tell you a story on this. This right here, when I was in the military, I bought a belt buckle. And I bought this actually, the one like this, it was in brass. I bought it, God, 1980. That's how long ago I was in the military. I was in the engineers at that time. And so anyway, went to Fort Leonard Wood. But this, we're doing these out of white brass. Dave does these. You know, United States of America, God bless us. Yes. But show your pride in the United States. Even though we don't like Obama, you know, just because all the shit he's doing, we're not enjoying that. You know, so we didn't enjoy Carter either. But anyway, it's really cool. There's only 15 of these belt buckles made. This one is 7 through 15. And this other one is 3 15. So we're just got them done. If you guys want one, they're going to be 150 bucks. But they're white brass. They're going to last forever. We're only doing 15 of them. That's it. That's all we're doing. Get one of John Fitzen's, you know, United States of America belt buckle. White brass. Solid white brass. Looks cool. So buy one. 801-918-3725. United States of America. Kick ass. God bless you. Crazy Sharp Punch Right.